Join me as I tackle the challenge of fixing my Thomas Paine RV recliner by replacing just one broken cable. Can I get it working again? Stick around and find out. Okay, so this week we've got a first world problem. As you can see, I can't kick my recliner out. If I go over here to Rose's chair, pull a little jump handle, but I can't do that on mine. Let me show you why. You see the cable down here? I have torn the handle off of it. So, I've got a new cable. I'm going to replace it with that.
Did you tell him you tore it because you used it too much?
I'm no stranger to replacing this. I've already replaced it once, as Rose was saying. So I'll get on to it and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, we're going to start by flipping over this couch. I've already taken the brackets that hold it to the floor off. As you can see, one of them is out of it. Here's the other one that got mangled up in there. But we'll get the couch turned over. And then I have to take the end of this arm off. Phillips head and a pair of pliers. All right, so I need to remove this clip right here. If you can see it, there's a clip on this side and a clip on that side. So I'm going to try to keep my hands out of here so I can show you, but I don't know if I'll be able to. Just a pair of pliers. One hand. There you go. Just squeeze the two little tabs on it, and it comes out of the keeper there. And then we get the camera and I'll show you what we're disconnecting down here. All right, so we just disconnected this cable right here, and it goes down into the latch mechanism right there. See where the spring is? The other little piece, that's the piece we've got to remove out of the chair frame. And that was the easiest part. Now we got to get the cable out of the arm of the chair. That's the hardest part. All right, so now there's a screw right here. Take this loose. This holds the arm onto the couch back. All right, to help us get to the screws and stuff a little easier, all you gotta do is you gotta take this back off. Take this Velcro up, lay it over like that. Come in here, there's two wires you can see. It's for the heating element. Unplug that one, unplug that one. There are two clips right here, one on this side. Just lift them up a little bit, slide the back of the chair like that, like that, and then this back will slide right off. All right, so we got the couch turned over, back on its back now, and there's this one screw that's a little bit tricky to get to. Let me see if I can show it to you. That one right there, it's an Allen head. Got to get that one, and then this arm will come off. screw holding this cable on. Ta-da! Alright, new cable.
Are you done?
No, I'm going back with it now. Am I done? When have I ever been that fast with anything? Seriously.
Are you recording?
Yes.
I was just gonna say, good, now you can quit using my recliner.
All right, let's put this bad boy back together, and we can recline tonight
What do you mean we can recline tonight?
in my own chair.
You've been reclining.
What?
You've been reclining fine.
No, I have not.
Yeah, in my
It's
chair.
been hurting my back, having to stretch out across you. Tighten that down, but I didn't tighten it completely up. That way, this can still move. Alright, they're all in there, so now let's tighten them up. And we just need to put the back on and put it back in place. Out. First world problem solved. Well, just 3 screws, 1 cable, and a little bit of patience, and you can probably fix your recliner problem too. I hope this video helps some of you out there. I know I can't be the only one with the cable breaking on my recliner, even though Rose thinks I do. Leave me a comment in this comment section below and let us know. I've got a bit of RV repair and maintenance videos in there, and if you're looking for more, check out our growing library. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss a single video. And if you like what we're doing, come on, give us a thumbs up. Till next time, stay safe out there, guys.